In this video, I will show you how to make these crochet ruffle earrings. Let's get started. To make these earrings, you will need lace cotton yarn. I will use two different colors, beige and black, but obviously you can use any colors you want and it can be just one. 1.5 millimeters crochet hook, scissors and needle. Also base for your earrings. I got them from a craft shop, but you can just reuse any round earrings you have at home. Mine have about a little bit more than 1 inch of diameter, so 2.8 centimeters. But again, you can use any size you want because the number of stitches will depend only of you. And also an instant glue because we will use it to attach the beginning and the end of our crochet work on the earrings. I will start with my beige color. So make a slip knot and we will work directly through the base of our earring. So I will insert my hook inside this circle, take my yarn, okay, be careful because the hook is very small. Okay, in the beginning it doesn't matter where exactly you start, you can move it. I will chain one just to secure it, and now I will work a few single crochets closing this ring with yarn. So again, insert your hook inside your earring, grab your yarn and make a single crochet closing this earring. I try to hide also this tail so I don't have to weave in it later. Again, take your hook inside your earring, grab your yarn and just make a single crochet. I will make about 3 or 4 of them. As you can see, it's moving, it's sliding. Okay, so after 4 of them, I will take my instant glue and I will put a little bit of it at the beginning. And then I will just slide my work so it will stick in the same place. So let's do it. Just a little bit, not too much. I guess it will be enough. And just slide your work in the place where you want it to stop and leave it for a moment. I recommend you to leave it for a few minutes so everything sticks in the place you want. Just about a minute was enough for me, and now still carefully I will continue working my single crochets all over, and I will just keep working and I will see how many of them I need to cover this whole piece. Later you can push them a little bit like this. So count stitches because later we have to do exactly the same with other earring, and obviously we want them to look exactly the same. So you will need to make exactly the same number of stitches. So I will keep working my single crochet all over and I will tell you exactly how many I made. But again, the number of stitches will depend of how big are your earrings. I've made 50 single crochets all over. As you can see, I pushed it a little bit here. This is how it looks from the back. Okay, and now as we don't want to, so this part moves also, we will push it a little bit, take again our glue, and we will make exactly the same we made in the beginning. I will take out this hook for a moment. Be careful here because we don't want to destroy it. Okay, a little bit of glue, slide it. Okay, be careful with this yarn we are working right now. We just want these few stitches to stick to the base, and just again leave it for a moment so it can dry. Okay, before you continue, make sure that it doesn't move, so these both edges stay in the same place. And now we will chain one and turn our work. And now in every stitch, in every this single crochet you made, we will make 2 double crochet. Why? Because this is how we will create the ruffle. So I will yarn over, insert my hook into this first single crochet, and I will make a double crochet, and I will repeat it one more time inside the same stitch. Okay, here we go, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now again yarn over, go to the next stitch, and again make 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and make exactly the same with all the stitches. So in my case I made 50 single crochets in the first row, and now I will have 2 double crochet in each of these 50 stitches, so I will have 100 double crochets in the end. So keep working. When I have more double crochets, I will show you how it should look like, because it will start to ruffle in a moment. Here we go. After some stitches it starts to ruffle already. This is how it looks like. Obviously this part is still, the stitches are still sliding on the earring, because we sticked on only the beginning and the end, but that's absolutely okay. And I will just keep working, again making exactly the same 2 double crochet in each stitch to the end. So make this row, and in a moment I will show you what to do next. This is what I have after this row of double crochets. Here I will just chain one and cut my yarn, as I want to introduce the black one. But if you want to, you can make the next row, the last one, also with the same color. Again, it depends of you, but as I said, I will cut my yarn here. I will weave in this end later. And now I will take my black yarn, make a slip knot. Okay, and I will turn my earring again. If here you didn't cut the yarn, you just have to chain one and turn your work. And here I inserted my hook again into this last stitch. I will attach new yarn. So I will just make chain one to attach it. And again, I will weave in everything later. I will insert into the same stitch I started, and I will make a single crochet with my new yarn. Again, I will insert into the next one through whole loops, obviously. Okay, no, this is not this one. Okay, now, and I will make a single crochet again into the next one and make a single crochet, and I will just work this third and last row, making just one single crochet in each stitch, so my ruffle has a nice edge. Okay, so just keep working, and in a moment our earrings, or our one earring, will be ready. This is what we have. I'm absolutely obsessed with the effect. Here in the end, after last single crochet, again I will just chain one, cut the yarn, and now I just have to weave in all these ends and repeat all the steps to make one more earring, and our earrings will be ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more tutorials for crochet and DIY projects, and see you next time.